Hey guys, welcome back to my new video. In this video we are going to learn how we can create a marksheet in Microsoft Excel. So let's get started. First of all, open Microsoft Excel, Excel. uh, then let's create a blank workbook. uh, Now let's select some cells, then click on merge and center. Now we simply select the cell and click on this. Now simply write your school name. Let's I write technical gan secondary school. Now press alt plus enter, and then write location. Let's write Kanchan 3 area. Then again press alternate plus enter, then simply write let's suppose it's second terminal examination of the year 2023. Then press enter. Now let's create a serial number. Yes dot n s dot n. Let's merge and center it. Then merge and center this cell also. There simply write NAM in name. And now we need to create some subjects. So let's create, for example, subject math, science, social, English, then computer, then select the upper rows, then click on merge and center, then simply write here yes UBJ is ETS subjects. Now merge and center this, and simply write total, and merge and center this, and simply write total, then after percentage, then this one merge and center, and simply write rank. Means position. Now let's go serial number 1 2. Simply select this 2, and when the small plus comes, then simply drag it. 5 6 7 8 9, then this is the 10. And then let's write the names of the students. For example, Arjun, Rohit, Salman, Rahul, Ankit, Mukesh, and Rohan and Surendra. Then after Vikas, and then after let's write Sandesh, and then after that let's write the numbers. Let's number 78 and 79. Give the number as you want to the given subjects. 65, 66, and 59, 60. The number as you want to give to the subject. English, let's give some 80, 81. Simply select this both and drag down. Computer, let's give 85, 86, and simply drag it down. Now total, simply write here is equal to sum, then small bracket, then select from here and select uh, all and press enter. Then simply click here, and if the plus sign comes, then simply drag it down. And for percentage, simply select the cell and click on percentage, then simply write is equal to total divided by 1 2 3 4 5 full mark, total divided by full mark. So simply write 500 and press enter. This is the 73%, and simply hold it and drag it. Yes, it is exact. Listen, and then simply write for position, simply write is equal to rank, rank. Then simply write a number. Let's click on the total 367, comma, then select all this, then comma, then 0, then select this S61H15, then simply press Windows plus F4 key, then now press enter, then simply drag down. This is the rank. Now select all this and go on borders, then select all borders. We have done all this. Nice. Let's change some numbers. So for example, let's change it, the total marks is 367. Let's change it 85, and then press enter. The number changes here, you can see. Let's give him 90 marks, then it becomes 394, and the percentage also increase, and the rank becomes 4. So this is the way that we can create a mark sheet. So thank you guys for watching this video. We will make in the next session. So till then, keep learning, keep exploring. Thank you guys.